Hey guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry that I've been gone for a little bit. I'll explain in an upcoming video why I took a brief hiatus, but the good news is I am back every Thursday, so make sure to subscribe if you don't already. And up until the fall trend guide, which is coming in a few weeks, I wanted to answer some of the questions that I get over and over and over. So the number one question I've been getting recently is, what do you eat? So today I'm gonna show you my 3 favorite summer healthy lunches. During the week, I'm either running around like a crazy person or I am in a t-shirt and underwear working on my computer all day. So I don't have time to cook, nor do I want to cook for myself. So I just prepare really easy lunches that I can eat while I'm at the computer. So I'm going to show you 3 different ideas, and these are not recipes because I don't do recipes. I don't follow directions well. So these are just really simple ideas that you can make at home, and this is basically what I eat every week for lunch. The first lunch that I'm going to show you is something I eat almost every day. I actually did a blog post on this, but I wanted to take you through it. These are called GG crackers. So they're these crisp breads. I just buy them on Amazon. I get them in stock. They taste like cardboard. I know it sounds really, really appetizing, but it's a really good base and they fill you up for a really long time. So I do 2 different things usually for lunch. One is I make egg salad GG crackers. So this is an egg white salad that I get from Trader Joe's because it has like 0 calories. I think for the whole container, it's only 120 calories. So it's really healthy, lots of protein. So the simplest thing, basically, you take your egg white salad, and if you don't have a Trader Joe's by you, you can just make your own. They make it with vegan mayonnaise, so that way it's lower fat, and then the egg whites are much healthier. So all you do is you just scoop it on, really, really simple. I'm just gonna do 1. And then I like to put paprika on top. It makes it a little fancier. I mean, it's just me eating at home, but still, why not have it be a little bit more fancy? And just sprinkle, and that's it. Really, really simple. So the second way I do my crackers is with smoked salmon, which has a lot of omega-3s in it, so it's really good for your skin, so it's always a bonus. You could use cream cheese. I've been trying to cut out my dairy, so I found this dip at Trader Joe's. By the way, this is not sponsored by Trader Joe's. I just really like things from there. It's jalapeno lime almond dip. So it's creamy and it has a similar texture to cream cheese, but without the dairy. So I just take a spoonful, and I'm not really good with measurements. That's why I'm not doing an actual cooking show, but it's really how much you want to put on the cracker. It's totally up to you. Again, you can use cream cheese, whatever spread you want. So I just put that on and then take a piece of smoked salmon. Really, really simple. It would probably help if I have a fork, so hold please. Grab a fork. Okay, so take the salmon, put it on, really easy. I like to squeeze a little bit of lemon on top, just for a little citrus. And then I slice my cucumbers into these flat pieces. That way, when I am eating my sandwich, when I'm in front of my computer, it's way easier. And that's it, all done. The second dish I'm gonna show you is something I usually eat probably once or twice a week, and basically it's leftovers with a touch of fresh ingredients. So I put this recipe on my blog. It's a vegan pesto pasta. I get it, yes, at Trader Joe's. I know, Trader Joe's, come on, sponsor me, this is ridiculous. So it's vegan kale, cashew, basil pesto. So the really big difference is it doesn't have cheese, but if you love cheese, just do a pesto you have at home. So I'll have the pesto pasta for dinner, and then I'll use the leftovers to make pasta salad for lunch. Super, super simple. Step 1, take some fresh arugula. So just put a little arugula in your bowl, just like so. Da, da, da. Take some lemon, squeeze the lemon, get rid of the seeds. Take some olive oil, and then pour that on. And then I usually like to chop up the arugula just so it's easier to eat. So I'll chop it up. Yes, I'm using a spoon to chop. I know, I told you, this is just really easy. It's what's in your kitchen. Super, super simple. Okay, so that's done. Next, you just add in your pasta. I like it cold. This is a cold pasta salad. It's really, really yummy and super, super healthy. So pour in the pasta, And then I like to add some fresh tomatoes. If you like protein, you can always add in some leftover chicken from the night before. So it's just a great way to utilize your leftovers when you're eating at home. Since the pasta can get a little bit dry, I just add a tiny bit more olive oil on top, and then a little bit of salt to finish it off. Salt, and we're done. Easy peasy. For my third lunch, I'm gonna show you my super healthy quinoa salad. So I get quinoa that you can make in the microwave because I'm lazy during the day. I don't feel like cooking. So it just comes in a little bag, which makes it really easy. You just pop it in for 3 minutes, and while it's microwaving, you take some spinach, so just some fresh spinach, and you wanna add the spinach first. So just, you can chop it up, or you can be lazy like me and just cut it up with your hands. But you wanna do the spinach first, so then when you put the hot quinoa on top, it wilts a little bit. It just tastes better that way. So got the spinach. Let's pretend that I just got this out of the microwave. Voila, here it is. So take the quinoa, and as much as you want, I'll probably do, I don't know, like 3/4 of it. If I'm really hungry, I'll do the whole thing. It doesn't really matter, it is up to you. So once you put the quinoa on top, then you take your tomatoes, which I've already sliced up. So add some tomatoes, yummy, yummy, yummy. And then avocado. So avocado is what fills me up here. So we have a little bit of the carb with quinoa, and then the avocado. You can make it mushed or whatever. I usually just slice it. So 1, 2, 3, and then take it out with the spoon. I do a full avocado for lunch. I feel like that's my filling part of my salad. And just cut it again, scoop it out, just like that. One of the nice things about eating at home by yourself is you don't have to worry about it being super pretty. So if it's not perfect, it's okay. No one's gonna know. So after you put the avocado on top, take some lemon, squeeze the lemon. I like lots of lemon, so I put lots of lemon. I always get seeds on my salad. I need to buy one of those little lemon squeezers. So on the to-do list. And then take a bit of olive oil, sprinkle that, a little vinegar, drizzle that on top. I like a lot of vinegar, so I put a little extra, and then just salt and pepper to taste. So really, really simple, healthy, and filling. All done. So there you have it. These are my go-to simple, healthy summer lunches that I eat at my computer. So if you head over to my blog, Sydne Style, I'll have a list of ingredients. That way, if you want to make them, you can just print out the list. It's really simple. Take it to the supermarket. And I have more food recipes over on my blog as well. Make sure to subscribe if you don't already. I have a new video coming for you. I'm starving. Do you want to come eat? Come eat.
Sure.
What do you want to eat? Do you want the pasta salad, the crackers?
Pesto.
I'm gonna do the quinoa.
Okay.
Mangia.
Wait.
Are we cheersing? What do you think?
They're so good.
And another good thing, you can eat this standing up.
I'm tiptoeing.
Hi guys. It's not just pasta. It's vegan pesto pasta. Right here. All right. Okay. For my third lunch, I'm gonna show you my quinoa. Okay, easy summer lunch ideas with Sydne Summer. Hi y'all. So today, kidding. Okay, let's do this.